In this video, we're going to show you how to install the front bumper cover on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the front side of your vehicle. Now we placed our jack right on the cross member on the back side of the front splash guard. We're going to raise up the vehicle. You want to do this preferably on flat level ground. Get it to the point where we can place safety stands under the vehicle. Go ahead and place your safety stands on the inner part of the frame or the body mount area to support that vehicle. You're going to repeat this for the other side. Go ahead and slowly lower the vehicle onto the jack stands. You want to make sure that your two front tires are not touching the ground. Go ahead and remove your jack. Using your trim tool, remove the 4 buttons across the bottom side of your bumper. Pop out the center, work that out, and then pull out the base with it. Now on the front leading edge of the fender area here, we have some trim buttons that need to be removed. Now with the vehicle jacked up in the air, we can go ahead and hop into the vehicle, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, crank that wheel over. It's going to give us access to these here a little bit easier. Then we're going to repeat for the other side, crank the steering wheel to the left and remove those trim buttons as well. Now I'm going to use a small diameter punch for the center here. Now these buttons will probably have to be replaced after we remove them. We'll punch out the center of these. On the top section here, there may be a bolt or another retainer there. Ours is missing. Now we can use our trim tool to remove the main button itself. Grab your fender molding. I'm going to pull this out towards you. And what we're doing is simply dislodging this trim from the front bumper. Now we want to go ahead and separate our bumper from the fender area. Now right on the edge here as it wraps around, there is a hole that kind of hangs up on a bolt head. So you're going to grab that lip and kind of peel it out and then pull your bumper out. What we're doing is dislodging the bumper here. We're going to do the same on the passenger side. Now as we grab this bumper, we're going to start to pull it towards you, and there's going to be a series of these clips underneath the light running across the bottom of the grille. Now we're going to kind of leave this side hanging up a little bit. We're going to go to the passenger side, pull that out. And when we pull this off, the fog lights are still going to be connected. So we're going to gently pull the bumper forward, reach behind, and disconnect the fog lights. And we have the passenger side popped out. Go ahead and grab that bumper and just gently pull it forward. Let's go ahead and reach around the back and disconnect the fog light. You're going to reach around the back side, and there's a little pinch tab on there. You're going to pinch that, wiggle that connector off. Go ahead and repeat for the other side. With the fog lights disconnected, go ahead and step back with that bumper cover and set it aside. You want to go ahead and remove your fog light assembly and swap it over. On the front side of the bumper cover, you want to go ahead and remove your license plate bracket and swap that over. Swap over the other side fog light as well. Now the bumper cover is attached to the lower valence area, and there's a series of these tabs that join them together. You would simply use a small pocket screwdriver, and you can go ahead and pry between these here and undo these tabs, separating the lower valence from the bumper cover. Once it's separated, swap over to the new cover. You want to go ahead and prepare our bumper to go back on. So we're going to reach down and connect our fog light here. Press that on, you can feel it and hear it snap into place. I'm going to go ahead and repeat for the other side. Now I want to go ahead and line up our bumper here. I'm going to bring this up, feed this into the bumper bracket. Pop that into place, and we're going to go ahead and continue around the front perimeter, locking this in underneath the lights. And we want to go ahead and snap our fender trim into the bumper. We'll install our trim clips here. Go ahead and repeat for the other side. Go ahead and snap the fender trim back on. Install your plastic button retainers. Install the lower push pins in the bottom portion of the bumper. After you have your front wheels straightened out, I'm going to go ahead and jack up the vehicle. Lift it up off of your jack stands. Remove your jack stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack, set it aside. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.